and welcome back to Marta from Sparta, episode 4 of our Art of Fortune and Stocking Stuffers, but really from Art of Fortune it will be episode 3. We did cyanotype cards, which were not on the wheel, but that was video number 1, how to do a Christmas blues and print in the sun and create some super fun and unique cards. Then we did video number 2 for someone who loves to cook. That was video on our Art of Wheel, and we did another video for our loved and tiny friends, our dogs, right? Or you can do it for basically your cats. It's the same idea. So who wants to guess or who remember what's coming up next? So I will give you a little bit hint. If you don't remember what was on our wheel on position number 3, it was something for someone who loves to read. Yes, I wear the t-shirt, reading is sexy. I had my nails done today for you guys. So when you guys gonna look at my hands today, when I'm making all this super fun stuff, they're gonna look primo. And I got myself pretty nerd up, I'm gonna say. And if you notice, like on every single video for our stocking stuffers, I wear something which is team related, right? So today, as always, I am prepared with my design and I'm gonna make some 4 different 5 options. You don't have to make them all. You can choose one of them. 2 out of 4 patterns from this specific video will be available in my membership group. If you didn't join yet, go to my homepage and then click the videos, and then there is join button. I offer 4 different tiers. You can choose the one which fits your budget and basically think which one you're gonna benefit the most. So one of the tiers gonna offer patterns from this specific video, and we also do a lot of behind scenes over there and different designer hacks. So it's fun place to be, and I am actually getting and putting more ideas over there. But okay, so again, I'm gonna go back to the same idea from video number 1 and 2. Don't stick to the Christmas theme. Choose the fabrics which represent their passions. What I'm trying to say is don't stick to the Christmas theme. And it's fun to do the Christmas theme. I understand you can still do that because some items in my house I obviously have appropriate for the season, like this mug, which I got out literally yesterday. So I decided to go again with some shades of pink and the patterns of pink, orange, and I like also as a contrast polka dot black. So let's start with idea number 1. So as an item number 1, we will be making custom bookmark. So we're gonna cut 3 squares, which 2 squares will be same color, 1 square will be different color, and 1 interfacing. And guess what color I'm doing? Of course, I'm doing pink. Everything has to be to some degree pink. At least a little bit pink in my outfit. It always makes me happy. And just like quick about me fact, I was born in Poland in the communist times. Yes, that I am that old. And we didn't have pink color. Everything was very ultra grayish, whitish. So when I came to United States and I saw so much pink around me, I'm really obsessing with these colors since then. And you know, I swing back and forth. I don't have favorite color, but I always have something pink. We cut 4 squares total, 2 fabrics which are same color, 1 fabric which is different color, and 1 cell adhesive interfacing. So now I'm gonna take my interfacing and 1 square to the ironing station. I'm gonna iron them together, and we're gonna start to put this together, which is gonna be super simple. You don't even need the sewing machine for this, because the square is 4x4, guys. 4x4. It's 4x4, guys. 4x4. Okay, let's talk about 3 creations which I did. I didn't finish my glasses case. That one is like extra confusing. I have no clue what this pattern wants from me. So that's gonna be my cord holder. We're just gonna iron it flat, and I'm gonna add 2 snaps over here. So this is basically the last thing which I have to do as far as this one go. I'm gonna say this, like, for now it looks pretty boring. I'm considering adding like a blanket stitch around it to make it more fun, with some fun yarn and stuff like this. This is my bookmarker, which I truly love. I'm thinking about adding like an eyelet over here and a tassel to make it more fun. I just want to show you how it looks like right now before I'm gonna do more stuff. Potentially also blanket stitch around it in color red to match this tassel. So it's gonna be fun if we're gonna stick it on the page, and this is gonna actually hang out from the book. So I might do the eyelet over here and just put that in there. I love that, but I think it's pretty plain right now. It's not special at all. I wanted to make it a little bit more special. This one and this one is extremely boring to me, uninteresting. So to add a little bit more interest, this is a cord holder. So I don't want to add like anything hanging, because, you know, obviously it's gonna make it more challenging and it's gonna get tangled in a cord. But I think adding like a blanket stitch around it, it's gonna be super fun. So that's this too. Now my coffee mug holder. Love it. And I found this super fun buttons, and I didn't buy them. I have them for years. I told you guys that I am hoarding a lot of stuff, and then one time I just need them, and that's the time. So I want to add like a super interesting buttons over here, and that's how it looks on the other side. Love. And it's reversible. I'm gonna show you guys later where I don't have to hold my phone. I'm still working on the not sunglasses, like a glasses case. God, that one is so complicated. I have no clue. There's no video for it. I still have to iron this one. So I made two, one left, one right-handed, because that's how I cut out fabric. It's really not relevant how you're gonna actually button your buttons. Love them. As you see, it's for coffee mug holders or tea mug holders. That's why it has this cute mugs and cups over here. Actually, no, that's not a mug, that's cups. So yeah, that's done. And now I'm gonna a little bit do some thinking about the glasses, because this too, like adding the blanket stitch around it and adding blanket stitch to this one, I'm gonna do when I'm watching a movie or something. I'm not gonna record how to do the blanket stitch, because I think it's not personal at all. It's pretty boring. It has to be more personal if that's a stocking stuffer. So that's that for those three. I'm stoked about them. I love the color combinations, and if you're gonna add them in one stocking stuffer, I think they're gonna look super cohesive and super fun. So that's that for now, and I'm gonna go and try to figure out what this pattern wants from me as far as the glasses go. So yeah, that's done. And now I'm gonna a little bit do some. And all done. Welcome to my sewing thoughts. Let's talk really quickly about items I made. And first of all, the first, coffee first, right guys? Coffee first. I love this holder for the coffee mug. It's fun, it's stylish, and it has elastic hooks, so it can fit any cup. So you can also unbutton it if you want to. And from the very boring cup, we just slide this one in, slide your fingers. Easy to make, reversible, washable. You can choose the fabric which fits your friend's interest and hobbies. You can make it in a Christmas pattern. 10 out of 10. I really love this pattern. I added like some special fun buttons on each of them as an element of extra pop of color, and I love very interesting items. It's gonna protect your hands in super special, yeah? So it's gonna fit also cup of every size. Okay, let's talk about something which is super simple. It's a glasses case, sunglasses case, glasses case, super beautiful. Again, same case. You can use the fabric which fits your friend or whoever you're gonna give to hobbies and interests. This one was a little bit harder to make. It requires a little bit more skill than the beginner. It has fun lining, what I did matchy with the outside. I love different textures and colors, and I can fit my glass cleaning here, and you can use it for the sunglasses, you can use it for your reading glasses, you can use for whatever you want to use. It's super fun, little bit more skill required than for the coffee cup. I still love it so much. And again, you can use fun fabric, like for example, if you make it for the sunglasses, you can choose some summery fun fabric, or for Christmas, if you want to do the Christmas fabric, you can add the monograms on it. I added my logo over here, and I made mistake because it's supposed to face this way, but I don't care. Still, Marta from Sparta, it's still mine. This one, bookmark. Super fun and easy, totally beginners level. I love everything about it. Very easy to make. I added my own twist to it. So I punched a hole over here and I added like a tassel. I also added like a monogram letter, and I added a shrinky over here. And all these items over here, including the Christmas bell, they are very personal to me. I'm not gonna explain anything about my personal life here and what all these attachments mean, but they mean a lot to me. They very personal. So if you want to make it even more personal, that's just a simple square. You can add a tassel, you can do your own shrinkies from the pictures, and you can add the monogram and bell, and voila, you have a custom, super fun bookmark. And from this super easy bookmark, which is customized and it's super fun, and I think it's like such a beginner level, it couldn't be even easier. We're gonna go to the project which is even easier than this. We started very hard and now we're going super easy. So after this bookmark, which I think is a little bit more challenging than the last item, which is a cord holder. And this one, it's super adorable. It's just two circles which are stitched together. You can do inside different color than outside. I did two same colors. I think I got distracted and I totally forgot I can do the other color simple. I added one snap, and in my case I added pink heart, super cute, adorable, beginner level. And here we go, we have a stocking stuffers for our bookmark. I added one. So starting from the super fun coffee or tea mug holder to the sunglasses case and cord holder and the cute bookmark, I think we have beautiful and very, very cohesive looking stocking stuffers for someone who loves to just read and spend a quiet time reading books, enjoying themselves. And look at this. It's a beautiful and super fun stocking stuffers, starting with something which is more challenging to make, medium hard, then that would be beginner and super beginner level. And you don't have to make all of them. You can make only one or two. That's just the ideas to show you how you can make something personal. I hope you like this video, and I'm gonna see you at the glow baby video, which is all of